Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing and laying the base coat. Clean the 3D shape thoroughly so paint adheres. This prevents peeling and uneven texture. Apply a thin, even primer coat from 8-12 inches away. Once cured, it evens surface tension and reveals imperfections to sand. Use light, controlled sanding with 300-400 grit and wipe dust away. Then pick a base color and thin paint for smooth coverage. This reduces brush strokes and builds a reliable foundation for subsequent layers. Once the base is set, you build form with multiple thin layers and controlled shading to create depth. Start with midtones, then add diluted washes into recesses for shadow. That accentuates contours without obscuring detail. Make highlights with a lighter thin glaze on protruding planes. This models the light source. Use dribrush on textured areas to catch raised edges and switch to a fine round brush for crisp seams and small features. Keep layers translucent to maintain color richness and volume. To finish, you protect and unify the surface. Apply a thin sealant like matte or satin varnish in even passes. It prevents wear and evens sheen. For small flaws, sand lightly with 600-800 grit, spot prime, and reapply matching paint, blending edges with thin glazes. If you see modeling, a mist coat of varnish often blends tones. One key troubleshooting tip: if paint runs or pools, let it cure, sand smooth. Then rebuild the area with thinner layers. Rushing will worsen texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.